You're watching us on the North edition of the Property Show. We're still looking at the Noida property market, and we have Dheeraj Harpooj with us with a question. Dheeraj, hi, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. I'm actually looking forward to buy a property somewhere in Noida, sector 137, 143.
Okay.
So budget would be around somewhere around less than 50.
Okay, 50 lakhs, looking at options in sector 137 or 143. From what I know, these are dense sectors with a lot of projects coming up here. In his budget, Dhruv, what are the best options in 50 lakhs?
So according to us, for Dheeraj, we've chosen three options in sector 137. Paras Tierra, Exotica Fresco and Gulshan Vivante. Now looking at the Noida Expressway micro market first, the inventory overhang is 8 months and the weighted average price is about 5,000 rupees, just over 5,000. The returns have been about 11% for this particular micro market. Like you said, Vasudha, sector 137 is a very dense area. It's a mid-segment housing hub. It's close to IT parks, which is why the high attraction for this particular micro market. The first project is Paras Tierra by Paras Buildtech. This is a large project with about 2,500 units. The amenities include large club with fitness center, amphitheater, swimming pool, Wi-Fi, underground parking, etc. The second project we are looking at is Exotica Fresco by Exotica Housing. This is priced at around 5,000 rupees a square foot. This project actually is already ready and is available in the resale market. The amenities include swimming pool, amphitheater, jogging track, club with a yoga center, sauna, steam, spa, gym, etc. The third project we are looking at for him is Vivante by Gulshan Homes. This is around 5,500 rupees a square foot. Few towers are already ready in this project. Some families have already moved in. And the amenities include swimming pool, steam, sauna, massage rooms, yoga center, indoor games, jogging track, badminton and basketball courts, etc.
Okay, so Dheeraj, your budget being on the lower side, we're giving you 2 BHK options in Noida, and sector 137, as Dhruv described, a dense sector coming up as a mid-segment housing hub. A number of projects here, a total of 12,000 units in supply here, and of course it's popular because of its connectivity to IT establishments, and of course there's a metro station proposed near this sector. So let's recap the options that Dhruv just advised you. Paras Tierra by Paras Buildtech, Exotica Fresco by Exotica Housing, and you also have Vivante by Gulshan Homes.